Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I'm going to be showing you a eyeshadow look that I created using this palette right here, the Beauty Creations Cali Chic palette. I'm also wearing the Hourglass highlight stick and the lash primer and the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow primer that came in this month's box. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Okay, as promised, today I'm going to be creating a look with this makeup palette, this Beauty Creations Cali Chic, these beautiful eyeshadows. And I'm going to be using the lavish brushes that we received in last month's boxycharm. At least some of us may have received the eye primer and the mascara primer. So I've already got my foundation on, I have contoured, and I've done my brows. So I'm going to prime my eyes with the Pretty Vulgar eye primer. And just use like a little teeny dot. And I use that little dot for both eyes, like not even a quarter of a pea size. And I did kind of have a little bit of foundation in my eyes, and it's just kind of melting that, like right over that. And eye primers are really good to use because it's sticky and it helps the eyeshadows to stick to your eyes really well. So now that is blended in very well, I'm going to go ahead and take this palette, and I'm going to start out by putting this Venice shade all over my eyes. So I'm just going to set that primer with that eyeshadow. And I'm using the big fluffy brush, which is the pink one from that lavish brush set. That lavish brush set. That's a lot of sh. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going to take this shade right here. And just dip that same pink brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease of my eyes. Okay, so that is a really pretty shade. And now I'm going to go in with Sunset, just right underneath that, and blend it in the crease as well, just slightly under that. So these shadows are actually blending really well. It reminds me of like a sunset. Okay, and now I'm going to take this Beach Babe, the middle shade, and I'm going just to use that in the outer corner, like right through here, just to kind of darken that area, and then slightly blend it upwards, just a little bit. I'm actually going to go in with Malibu, just because this is such like a sunset look. I'm gonna try, should I do boardwalk? This is really hard. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, just because it's so bronzy, I think it would look great. So I'm gonna see how they work dry, and then I'll try it wet. So this is dry. It's not bad, but it's kind of flaky, so I'm gonna try it wet. And I'm just using some setting spray, dipping it in there, dabbing off excess. Just picking up that shade. Oh, that is so much better. So I do recommend using it wet. Okay, and now I'm going to take that Malibu shade and I'm just going to pop that right in the center. I'm going to take the orange brush and I'm going to take the shade right here and I'm going to go underneath my lash line first. And then I'm going to take this shade right here and work that just halfway over. Or I'm going to go ahead and go all the way in with this one because I'll go in with this darker shade because I am going to use that as a liner. So that's what it's looking like so far. This brush is just so stiff. I'm going to have to wash it. Speaking of, I'm going to have another video that I'm going to be recording later. And it's to review this. It's like a brush washing set. You put the brushes in there and it's this thing. So if you guys want to see that, just stay tuned because I will be recording that. I'm super excited about that because I've already washed one brush with it. No, I've washed 2 brushes with it. This one too. And it worked so well, so can't wait to review that for you guys. Okay. Okay, so now that I've done that, I am going to take that darker shade and I'm going to work it halfway through. And I'm taking a flat brush. This one is by Morphe. And I don't even know what the numbers are. And it's a M432 brush. And I'm going to take that very dark shade. And I'm going to use that as an eyeliner for this look. Yes, I love that look. Okay. Okay, so that is what that looks like. I really do like this look a lot. I'm just going to kind of blend in the edges. Okay. And now I'm going to use the lash primer. And someone did clarify that this is a primer, so I put a mascara over it. It's just a black primer. I've never really been into wearing lash primers, so we'll see how this works. Okay, so I got a coat of that on. And so far that primer looks like it's working pretty well. The Pretty Vulgar one. Okay, while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and use my stick, and I have a wet beauty blender right there. Okay, and I'm just going to draw a line, and I'm going to blend it out. So this is a little hard to blend in. So I would probably recommend doing it before you powder your face, like I did not. That actually works really good for right above the lips. I'm going to take a little angled brush, and I'm going to use this for my inner corner. This is actually really pink. It's like a pink shade. And I'm going to use it for the top of my brow bone as well. Okay, as you can see, that was really pretty. Now I'm going to apply my mascara, and I'm doing the It Cosmetics, the Superhero Mascara, just by my all-time favorite mascara. Okay, so first impressions on that primer. I don't know if it's just with this mascara. This mascara is amazing by itself, but with the primer, I don't like it. As you can see, it just kind of made it more clumpy and not as nice looking. And for my lipstick, I'm using my old Dominic's Cosmetics. This is in Lemonade. I believe the one that I just received was in Strawberry, but I'm probably going to do a giveaway once I get enough stuff up and just add that to the giveaway, because I mean they're pretty much the same looking color. That one's just slightly pink. Oh, like a darker pink. And I don't need that many lipsticks. I have so many open, so I'm just going to use this one. I mean, it's not a bad lipstick, it's like a lip gloss. It's really nice. Just I really don't need it. Okay, so that is what we have. I'm just going to go ahead and go over the blush a little more. Just kind of blend that in. And I'm going to blend okay. Now I'm just going to set all of this with my setting spray, and that just helps take the powder look down a little bit. And that is the completed look. Let me go ahead and try to sit a little closer. It is like really summery. Like I really do enjoy this eyeshadow palette. The colors did blend very well. I didn't have any issues with them. I got a little bit of mascara. But they blended really well. I like how they just kind of, it looks like a sunset. Like that's how I would describe this look. And you can tell you can get like really just like bronzy looks if you went for more like deeper shades like these two. Like I'll create a few different looks with these, but this is the first look that I created, and I really do enjoy it. The eyeshadow worked really well for a liner. I do prefer to use eyeshadows as eyeliners just because they don't smudge like regular liners do. so I do gravitate to using it that way. The highlight stick was really nice. Like I said, probably next time I will do it over my foundation instead of doing it on top of the powder, just so that it blends in better. But I mean, it doesn't look bad like this. It works really well for over the lips, and as you can see, it gives a really good brow highlight and an inner corner highlight. So I did really enjoy that. The eye primer worked really well. I'll kind of see how it wears today, and the next time I do an eyeshadow tutorial with this palette, I will let you know more how it works, because like with eye primers you can't really tell, and you also have to use different shadows. So far so good, but like we'll see on that. I usually use the Milani one, and I love that one. And the eye primer, like I don't know if it was just with this mascara, which this mascara is amazing, it just didn't work as well. I think that this mascara works better by itself, but maybe if you had one that wasn't as great, maybe it would help with that one. I'll have to try it with different mascaras. So that one is just like, I wouldn't spend the money for that one. But yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.